Well, dear students, Jessie's English High School, Vijaypura, Karnataka. And I am your English faculty, Miss Shashwati Chowdhury in front of you. So dear students, previous few days onwards, before going to start as per your 10th syllabi and your 9th standard syllabi in English literature, in English book, Unit 7, I have to start Unit 7 because still Unit 8, already I have confirmed and I have already given you the video teaching through online. Unit 1 to Unit 6, only Unit 7 and 8 left as per your syllabi. And then supplementary reader, few stories, that one obviously explanation and analysis and then question answers. After that we will jump within January, my target I will finish the full syllabi, and then obviously revision and all will start, but including various type of things according to your Karnataka State Board syllabi, different type of 10 years questions, reference, study and all I will do it. Classwork and both home tasks too. Worksheets already online I have given, so please follow it and start doing it, because immediately the school will reopen. Then I will charge you all my worksheets, all my notes and everything. Already few students, you are very good indeed. You came to the premise and you have checked after your submission. But I want, when offline will start very shortly, I want all classwork, all home tasks. And every day home tasks will be there through activities, through assessment, through projects and all other things. And reference study also I will start. So a lot of works will be there. And with this online processing will be also there regarding notes making, note framing and sending the different internet oriented notes, different reference notes, etc. So now you already understood it well, that what is your online teaching and what is the importance of internet study in life. Internet means usage of internet for study purpose, to collect data and informations, to update yourself through internet is important. So internet means not only wastage of energy and time. So you should be very clever and careful about all these matters. This is my request to all the students. Well, so dear students, our grammar continuation going on. Before that, in the previous few lessons, online teaching, I have already given you figure of speech, different categorical, some important figure of speech which already accustomed with your 9th and 10th syllabi. Whenever the poetry part you are reading, it is coming in front of you. So you should know what are the figure of speech and important, some very important figure of speech as per your, in your syllabi, the poetic devices, the poetry entitled with all those figure of speech. Those things I explained you. Obviously, dear students, I have not only explained, analyzed also and given you the definitions along with examples. That is very important in figures of speech, because you have to identify through the examples, that reading the example, which category figure of speech this one belong to. These are very important, and you will get in your SSLC board obviously question paper related to this matter. So be careful, conscious, serious about good percentage. You should become the good scorers, 100% scorers, full mark scorers. It should be your ambition. Obviously, healthcare is a matter that one you will continue. And these are good for neatness and cleanliness of the body and mind. From the childhood, our childhood onwards, we had adopted this lesson. Whenever coming out from outside to inside, hand wash, okay, details, soap wash, hand wash, leg wash, dress change, And then your now for corona we are using mask. That is important. Whenever you will also come to school, masks compulsory. You can carry sanitizer, but before your lunch, soap wash you will do it. No problem of water in this school. Very nicely maintained everything. Water is the main thing in schools and colleges, and that one here maintained very nicely. So you bring your soap before lunch, no sanitizer, totally soap wash. And then after that, whenever you are going back home, again sanitizer you can put. So all these things for your health care, you have to keep this one, all things ready. These are not for one virus, these are for several and several viruses and bacteria and all. So you should be a very good and perfect Indian citizen and help your friends, other juniors, seniors, everyone, your society in this way. No need to worry about any virus or bacteria. But children, the important thing is that your lesson, whatever totally I am giving continuously through online, all these things now you at random. Tomorrow your 25th Christmas, but I will send you the lesson. Other subjects also you will get it, like social, like mathematics, etc. So please be careful. All these things you will carry out. My English, all the previous lessons should be up to the mark. I want to see the notebook. I want to see the class task and the home task. At random I will check it also. Checking, rechecking. Textbook should be ready. All the materials should be ready. And collection of anything else if you left till now, please collect it. Attachment papers all should be ready. Okay, through your proper notes. So students should write in the notebook all the things with blue and black pen. Examination, any worksheet exam, surprise test exam, unit test exam, class test exam, or different short break exam, long break exam. So many type of different type of exams are there. You should be ready and you have to do it sincerely. And 100% marks, I want to see that in every exams you are scoring with good handwriting. These all things are very important. It's not possible every day, I will tell you. I have told you, you record my voice and you hopefully start to do it, follow it, whatever your English faculty advised you. I want my excellent result and that's all. You have to give me excellent result with your 100% fit and fine health condition. So dear students, already after this now, and I told you that if you like my all these things, I know you all appreciate it. I got all the appreciations from each and every corner. You like to understand my English well. You like my English teaching well. So it is very good. I'm proud of you all that in the far away state I came and I'm teaching you the state children. So it's my request also that you will learn it by heart. That's important. Grammar, you see, lot of things to do. We don't know that when we will start it and when we will stop it. So a lot of things at random, practice. I follow the method through the examples. Definition obviously will be there, it should be in your mind. So grammar, we will start today, types of sentences. Before that you see, this is your video lesson going on, date 25/12/2020. Tomorrow, Happy Christmas, Merry Christmas to you all, full India and around the world. You enjoy Christmas Day. I have no problem when I also enjoy. But the main thing is that tasks should be ready, whatever subject wise from Jesse's English School you are getting. Learning points should be ready. So dear students, topic in grammar, type of sentences, simple, complex, compound, 3 category sentences. In the textbook also at random whenever you are reading unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Several times I had seen grammar displayed in different way. So all this grammar also, the solution and all for you, I will bring it in front of you so that you can understand all the grammar, all the topics, and you can write excellent English, perfect English. So then this one you see worksheets, very important, related to all the topics. Then reported speech, direct and indirect narration. That is, we are narrating, directly saying something, indirectly. Reported speech, it's very important. So from the language, you can understand what's going on. And concept also, you see, word construction, then framing sentences, knowledge, ideas, views, etc., etc. These all things are very, very important, dear students. If you have knowledge of grammar, you will fulfill your dreams in English language and literature. Grammar, vocabulary, these are all very important. The language division is a figure of speech. So dear students, in this brief stage of video, today I would like to share my feelings with you, because very shortly offline is going to be started. Online, offline, we will utilize both for our perfect English and all. Now internet study I will give you the materials. You will also search some materials sitting through your internet, and then use it properly for your updation, for your good upbringing, for your good background. It's very important. Don't misuse the internet. So dear students, go through the video, what I have told you, instructed you in the end of this year, and welcome. We are going to welcome very shortly, 1st Jan 21. In this, you may say that in this conjunction period, you should be very careful and serious. Thank you very much. I'm coming very shortly with my topic, grammar.